Hi, my name is Megan Morningstar, and this is my son Derek, and I have been coming to Harcourt Chiropractic since 2002, and my son since 2015. So I started here as an employee and was introduced to chiropractic care, which I had never actually had any experience with previously, and Dr. Harcourt treated me with a lot of allergies and a lot of treatment with that, which was tremendous. I then brought my husband here, who had a lot of back problems and ended up having 2 back surgeries. And then when we had Derek and he ended up getting headaches at a really young age, I did not want to put him on medication, so I brought him here to see if Dr. Gary could do anything to help him. Derek we brought in for severe headaches that were probably about a 8. They would make him vomit. It was how bad they were, and they would last for a handful of hours. And once he started vomiting with the headaches, then I knew that we needed to do something because obviously he couldn't keep the medicine down to make the headaches go away. At the time for me, I luckily didn't have any pain, just a lot of sinus issues, and Dr. Harcourt's treatment with eucalyptus was huge for me. My husband, obviously with the back problems, had probably a fairly high pain level, and Dr. Gary did what he could do until there wasn't anything else that could be done other than to have the surgery. The typical over-the-counter allergy medication, taking it, well, talking about 15 years ago, it was probably, every 6 to 12 hours, taking allergy meds that really didn't do much for you at all. Still taking some allergy medications, but just not as often. Derek's is much better. We come in here about every 3 months. We're finally down to every 3 months for his headaches that are occurring less and less. We had a recent one, but realized that we were at 3 months and 3 weeks. So he was due for an adjustment, and Dr. Gary did a great job today, and he definitely needed the adjustment. Myself, I come in just because I think it's a great help. I think it's helped with not getting sick, having less allergy issues. I never get a headache. I don't have any back pain. For anybody who hasn't experienced chiropractic care, they need to give it a try. I think it is a huge help for everybody in my family to avoid taking daily medications that aren't needed. Having a young kid taking headache medication is crazy to think about how many kids are on a lot of medications. I see it in and out at the office that I work with, of kids on handfuls of medications for things that easily could be taken care of with chiropractic care. I think it's, not knowing anything about it and coming here to work was huge. I don't know that I ever would have just decided to call a chiropractor. When I worked at a women's healthcare group, I suggested it to most of our patients that came in with carpal tunnel, with back pain and pregnancy. It's way better than doing medication, especially when you're pregnant. And it's worth a shot. If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work for you, but it's definitely worth giving it a try.